If you speak with a lot of hesitations and pauses, but you want to speak fluently and naturally like a native speaker, the secret is you need to learn to think in English. But most students say, "It is too difficult," or "I need to think in my native language first and then translate it into English." However, thinking in your native language and translating results in sentences that do not sound natural in English because the sentence structure is often different in English and your native language. In addition, it takes too much time to think and translate while you are in a conversation. And that will lead to hesitation, pauses, and inability to speak fluently and fast. Some students also say, "I don't know enough English words so I can speak fluently." But before we speak English fluently, we need to learn how to think in English. Level 1. We need to think of individual English words like when we wake up in the morning. What words can we say? Maybe the word bed. Yes, the word bed. Also, we can say bathroom. We use the bathroom every day. Clothes. The word jacket also. We also can move to other words like the word breakfast. Breakfast. And then we drink our coffee. Then we wear our shoes. While going to work, we also can think of some words such as job, computer, boss, and even colleagues. In level 2, think of complete sentences of things you see, hear, and like in your day. Like, I can see many cars. I like walking. I hear the birds. In this level, it's okay if the sentences are very simple. The most important part is to practice and develop the habit of thinking in complete sentences. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe in the channel, like and share the video. Level 3. Functional English, which means try English in everything. For example, like ordering a sandwich in an English-speaking country, what should I say? I would say, "May I have a double cheeseburger, please?" In the functional English level, this helps develop your English for real-life situations, even though you're only thinking, not speaking. In this level, you might face the difficulty of not knowing some words, but this is not a problem because you can still look it up on any dictionary. Level 4. Narrative English. You can talk to yourself about any topic. Talk to myself? Believe me, it works. You can tell a story or speaking a long time in English. To yourself? Yes, to myself. In the narrative English level, because you're only thinking, not speaking, you can relax and do your best without all the pressure of a real conversation. Level 5. Change one of your everyday life things to English. Like you need to switch your brain now. For example, how to make breakfast or how to get dressed. Think of the steps. Talk to yourself. Don't feel embarrassed. Nobody listens to you. It's only you and you. Now try to tell me the steps of how do you make your breakfast. And also, what do you do to get dressed? And now, it's only you in the room, and it's time to get in bed. But remember, try to recall every single moment what happened in the day, but in English. And now you woke up, and it's a new day. Now you need to write your to-do list. But please remember to do that in English. I hope you can see that you don't need to be super advanced to learn how to think in English. What are you waiting for? You can start today. With those tips, you can increase your fluency. It makes you more confident and helps you speak more easily without hesitation. Don't forget to subscribe in the channel so you don't miss any of our videos.